Ever wake up feeling like your nightstand is more clutter than calm? Imagine a bedside table that doesn't just hold your essentials, but sets the tone for your entire space. Today, we're exploring 10 bedside table design ideas that elevate functionality, inject style, and create the perfect bedside experience. Whether your room is cozy, modern, or classic, these ideas will help you curate a bedside haven that matches your habits and personality. Ready to redesign your bedtime routine?
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
How do you choose the right size and proportion for a bedside table? Proportion is everything. An ideal bedside table should be about the same height as the top of your mattress, so you don't have to stretch or hunch to reach your lamp or book. Horizontally, it should neither dwarf the bed nor feel too tiny next to the space. For a queen bed, choose a table that's 18 to 24 inches wide. Around 16 inches works well for twins or smaller platforms. In tight rooms, slim profile tables reduce visual clutter while keeping surface space. For shared beds, consider staggered heights, one tall and one low, to accommodate both sides without symmetry constraints. With proper scale, you create harmony in your bedroom's layout and make your bedside a functional, convenient landing zone. How can you blend storage with style in your bedside design? Consider combining open shelves and drawers for flexible bedside storage. A drawer on the top conceals chargers and nighttime necessities, while an open bottom shelf holds books or a decorative basket. Choose drawer front finishes, like textured laminate, wood veneer, or painted paneling, to match your bedroom's design. For a modern twist, use floating bedside boxes mounted to the wall. They look sleek and free up floor space. If your needs are minimal, stackable storage cubes in stylish finishes act as both table and display stand. Metallic handles or recessed grooves bring personality without bulk. With considered storage styling, you boost practicality without compromising on charm. How do you select materials and finishes for a bedside table that elevate your bedroom's aesthetic? Material and finish choices define the table's character. Wood bedside tables with oak, walnut, or ash bring warmth and texture, keep the grain visible for organic flair. Painted surfaces work well in softer palettes, sage green, navy, or crisp white to match wall tones. High-gloss lacquer or mirrored tables evoke glam style and reflect light beautifully. Industrial styles pair dark-stained wood tops with matte black or steel legs for edgy contrast. Rattan or cane work tabletops introduce a tactile, breezy feel. Marble or terrazzo surfaces are luxe and durable, but use coasters to protect them. Select finishes that not only look great but stand up to daily use, avoiding peeling or heavy wear. What types of lighting should you integrate on or near your bedside table? Lighting at eye level is crucial for reading and nighttime ambiance. A mid-sized table lamp with a weighted base ensures stability, especially if the table is narrow. For a modern aesthetic, mount swing-arm wall lamps with dimmers above the table, leaving surface space uncluttered. Pair this with LED puck lights under overhead shelving that provide soft glow when getting up in the night. For a cozy atmosphere, include a USB-charged mood lamp or a small candle-style LED diffuser on the bedside. Night lights and soft amber tones offer illumination without disturbing sleep. Combining layered lighting ensures perfect brightness control, from bedside reading to calm, ambient glow. How can smart bedside features improve your daily routine? Tech integration turns a bedside table from functional to futuristic. Choose tables with built-in wireless charging pads inside a drawer. Clean and practical. USB-C and power outlets integrated into the top or within drawers allow device charging without cluttered cords. Need a little aromatherapy? Tables with hidden aromatherapy diffusers provide calm scents via a top panel. Motion sensor drawer lights turn on when you open them. No more fumbling in the dark. If you travel often, a pull-out valet tray with compartments stores wallet, glasses, and jewelry. These seamless add-ons enhance convenience while maintaining a clean, timeless look. With proportional scale, layered lighting, smart storage, and thoughtful styling, your bedside table can go from functional surface to meaningful sanctuary. Each element, from calming lamps to tactile hardware, from charging solutions to personal touches, reinforces your bedroom's character and rhythm. Start with one upgrade: a wireless charging drawer, a cozy lamp, or a curated tray, and watch your bedside evolve into a polished, practical haven you'll cherish night after night.